let us take a new question, a new case. Suppose that a product is produced in 3 factories A, B and C. It is known that factory A produces twice as many items as factory B, and factories B and C produce the same number of items. Assume that it is known that 2% of the items produced by each of the factories A and B are defective, while 4% of those manufactured by factory C are defective. All items produced in the factories are stocked, and an item of product is selected at random. What is the probability that this item is defective? Suppose it is given that, or if it is given that the item selected is defective, what are the probabilities that it has been produced by factory A or factory B or factory C? First of all, let us use sign and let us understand the question. There are 3 possible events. A1, the item is manufactured or produced by factory A. A2, the item is produced by factory B. And A3, the item is produced by factory C. And B, the item is defective. Now let us write the probabilities. The second sentence is, it is known that factory A produces twice as many items as factory B. That means the production quantity at factory B is 2 times that of production quantity of factory A is 2 times production factory of B. And factories B and C produce the same number of items. That means let the production quantity at factory B equals to 1 unit. Now factories B and C produce the same number of items. That means at factory C also it is 1 unit. Factory A produces twice as many items as factory B. That means at factory it must be twice that of B. That means 2 units. So ratio or proportion of production quantity comes to A is to B is to C equals to 2 is to 1 is to 1. That means now if any item produced by the company which owns all the 3 factories is selected at random, what is the probability that that item has been manufactured at factory A or by factory A? That is 2 by 4. That means P of A1 equals to 2 by 4. Similarly, P of A2, that means the item is produced by factory B, is 1 by 4. And P of A3, that means the item is produced by factory C, is also 1 by 4. Now what about the rate of defective production? Assume that it is known that 2% of the items produced by each of the factories A and B are defective. That means probability of any item being defective, if it is produced by factory A, that means P of B given A1 is 2%, that means 0.02. Probability of the item being defective if manufactured by factory B is also 2%, 0.02, and probability of the item being defective if manufactured by factory C is 4%, that means 0.4. Now first we require to find probability of the selected item being defective. That means we need to find probability of B, and then we need to find posterior or inverse or revised probability of factory A, factory B and factory C if the selected item is defective. Again, let us use the tabular approach. The first we will take is factory, that means AI. Then prior probability, not posterior but prior, before knowing that the item is defective, so it is prior probability of factory P of AI. These three are prior probabilities. Then conditional probability of item being defective, that is P of B given AI, and multiplication of these two is going to give us the joint probability of factory and defective item, that will be P of AI intersection B, and the last is posterior or revised or inverse probability of factory, that is P of AI given B, P of AI given B. The formula is P of AI intersection B divided by P of B. Factory A, that is event A1, probability of A1 is 2 by 4 or 1 by 2, that means 0.5. Probability of item being defective if manufactured by factory A, that is 0.02. The multiplication of these two, 0.5 into 0.02, gives us probability of A1 intersection B. Yes, that is 0.01. Factory B or event A2, probability of A2 is 1 by 4 or 0.25. Probability of item being defective if manufactured by factory B, that is P of B given A2, is also given to be 0.02%. Multiplication of these two, A2 intersection B, 0.25 into 0.02, 25 divided by 100 into 2 divided by 100. That means 50 divided by 10,000. So it comes to 0.005. Is it?
Yes.
0.005. Factory C or even A3. Probability of A3 equals to 1 by 4 or 0.25. Now probability of item being defective if manufactured by factory C, that is P of B given A3, is 4%, 0.04. Multiplication of these two, again it comes to 0.01. A3 intersection B or probability of A3 intersection B, 0.25, that means 25 divided by 100 into 0.04, 4 divided by 100. That means 25 into 4, 100 divided by 10,000. So again it comes to 0.01. As usual, summation of these three is probability of B or general probability of any item being defective if manufactured by any of these three factories. P of B. What is the summation? 0.025. Is it? If it is taken as percentage, it is 2.5. The long run average of the defective production of the company which owns all these three factories is 2.5%. That means 97.5% quality control is there in the company as a whole, commonly for these three factories. Now posterior probabilities of factory, rather item produced at factory A or factory B or factory C. Why posterior? We are going to calculate P of A, P of B, P of C after knowing that the selected item is defective. That's why they are known as posterior probabilities. Okay, probability of A1 given B. That means probability of A1 intersection B 0.01 divided by probability of B 0.025. That means it comes to 0.4. Yes, 0.4. Or there are 40% chances that that item selected which is defective is manufactured at factory A. Now P of A2 given B, that means probability of items manufactured at factory B if the item is defective. P of A2 intersection B 0.005 divided by 0.025, so it comes to 0.2. That means 20% chances are that the defective item has been manufactured at or by factory B. And the last case, P of A3 given C, that means probability of the item manufactured at factory C if it is defective. Probability of A3 intersection B 0.01 divided by P of B 0.025, again it is 0.4 or 40%. Just verify that the summation is 1. Okay? Thank you.